Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Well, I've finally done it. I've found a Ruger 1022 rifle at a local pawn shop, and I finally went ahead and bought one. Now this is a 30-year-old rifle, and I paid $225 for it. It would have been $250, but she couldn't find the magazine that goes in there. So this morning I'm going to the sporting goods store and buy a 3-pack of magazines for it, which is $40. So now the price of this is up to $265. But I'm really pleased with it. We got threw in a really nice case. The information about the scope is on the bottom of the scope, so I haven't taken it off. I haven't spun it around to see what it is. It may be a Leopold, I'm not sure, but it looks really nice. It's good and bright and good magnification on it, so I'm liking that because I'll be needing it for my squirrel hunting. And I just learned how to take it down and clean it 2 days ago from the videos on YouTube, and I wanted to show you right quick how easy it is to tear down. It's got this one bolt right here that holds the stock on. We'll take it out. Now it doesn't come completely out, but you can tell when it's loosened enough. Then you take the push button for the safety, put it in the center. Lift the stock right off of it. Next thing, and as you see, 30-year-old 1022, the pins are very loose. Now this fat pin right here is the pin for the bolts. And then the 2 pins that holds the trigger assembly on right here, they're supposed to be pushed out in this direction. And there's the trigger assembly. Now to get the bolt out, you simply pull the charging handle all the way back, pick up on it, pick up on the bolt comes out, and the charging handle comes out. So this is how it's all sitting inside the receiver. And I gave it a good cleaning. I found some gunk, what looked like some silicone in there. There was a lot of dirty nooks and crannies. It looked like the pawn shop had done a quick cleaning on it. But I did a thorough cleaning on it. It's in good shape now. Let's put it back together. Charging handle goes in first. Then you're going to depress it. You pull it all the way back. And remember now, you've got to capture that charging handle right in that groove right there. So I put it in nose down, then work it back and forth a little bit, and once it's engaged, the bolt goes forward again. Trigger assembly goes back in with these loose pins. Don't forget about the pin for the back of the bolt. It goes back in. Then once again, you want to make sure that the push button for the safety is in the center position. And just drop the stock down on top of it. Tighten up the bolt. Well, it's pretty easy. It'd be easy to keep this thing clean. And make sure it's on safe, which I just put it on safe. So I'm really liking it. I can't wait to get to the range with it. I go get my magazines, try to run. I did find some cheap ammo. I went ahead and bought it in case I couldn't find any more. But I think at this sporting goods I'm going to, they're going to have a selection. I'm really wanting some CCI hollow points, some CCI stingers. But so this is part one. Make sure you tune in for part two, and I'll tell you how it went at the firing range. Maybe show you some targets. I can't really shoot in my backyard anymore because my neighbors are skittish. So, all right, y'all.